So, good morning, DWNYKEX. So, I'm creating another video. Yung first video na na-create ko, hindi maganda yung audio. So, I'm retaking it. So, today, I'll be showing yung POC after more than a week and a half. Based observation ko, based on my purpose, yung practicality and usability niya is a 5 being the highest. So yan. So right now what I'm going to show is another function. So yan, medyo may naririnig na nyo. So currently you notice the POC, hindi lang siya POC to POC, na-link ko siya ngayon to our RF. So there's an interface, so I'll be showing you the interface. Later ko na lang I'll deal with the interface in depth na lang in another video. So yan yung interface radio and link radio. Ito yung link radio. So the link radio, I connected the POC link to my FTM300. Siya ngayon yung nagtatransmit sa RF. So far, okay naman. Let's see kung may tao para to show you kung ano yung quality ng audio. DWNYKEX on monitor. Anybody in the frequency? Ayun, Henry, DB1YJJ mobile, DWNYKEX. Ayun, mobile ka pa pala. Ayun, naputol ba? Eto, DB1YJJ, DWNYKEX. Okay na yung audio? Oo nga, maki-URM dyan. Sige. Dito muna, gumala ako ng short video. Actually, masasama ka dun sa video ko. Nag-test lang ako ng audio. Sige, safe track, Henry. DB1YJJ mobile, DWNYKEX.
Kung ano setting mo ngayon or yung lapit sa mic, yan yung malinaw. Yan ang 2 FM.
Oo nga, napansin ko nga na dapat mga isang dangkal eh. So, para maganda yung audio. Sige, thank you Henry for the feedback. DB1YJJ mobile with the group DWNYKEX. So yun, nakita natin na may distance lang na konti para hindi siya mag-overmod. Pero apparently, it's working fine. Para ka lang nakikipag-usap sa RF using the POC radio. So, what's good? Isa yan. Tapos, ano yung mga lately yung ginawa ko? Ano yung mga transformation? So, ilalapit ko lang. Let's see kung makikita. So, sa screen, dun sa control panel, pakita ko yung control panel for a while. Sa control panel, ito yung naging development. So, sana makita. So, sa control panel, yan, na madami na akong groups na nagawa. We have the POC link. Ito yung pala yung group management and group list. You have the guests, family, yung business namin, and other groups. So, what's good with the POC? Yung mga users mo under your management group, pwede mo siya divide pa into subgroups. So, yung subgroups, pwede mong ma-determine sino pwede mag-usap, kung sino lang yung di-determine mo lang ano yung radius within the group. At least, mo siya, mako-compartmentalize. Another plus dito sa Radium to, for example, you're another channel, pwede kang matawagan ng other users na kasama mo sa ibang group na nakadefine sa iyo using direct call. Pag kinall ka niya, kahit nakamonitor ka sa ibang channel, matatawagan ka. So usually I do that. Nasa ibang channel ako. I instruct my people pag kailangan ako talaga urgent to call me direct. So kahit nakamonitor ako sa ibang channel, magiging okay. Makakausap ko sila. So another plus for the functionality ng POC na to. It's simple, pero sabi ko nga kanina from the start, usability niya is good. Very good. And practicality. So, the next video, siguro I'll deal with the interface itself. Though meron pa ako konting glitch na inaayos with regards to RF pag ginagamit ko yung kanyang power supply. Pero, yun. It's working fine. So, hope to see you in the next video. And peace.